Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to our latest Wandal listing. 17 Millroy Street sits in one of my favourite enclaves within this area. Why don't you go and take a quick tour with me as we check this home out. How amazing the timber floors are in this home. Here we have a combined lounge dining room. Take a quick look. And off the kitchen, we've got a laundry that has its very own space. And down this hallway, we've got what I'd use as the kids' wing, a self-contained space with 2 air-conditioned bedrooms and the main bathroom. This is a great allotment. The backyard's perfect for kids and pets. It also has this wonderful alfresco area. I can imagine barbecue and drinks here every single weekend. And here we have something for mum and dad, a bedroom with an ensuite. And of course, we've got an office set up over here, but it may also be useful as a 5th bedroom. Now this home is in walking distance from the hospital. It sits on a really gorgeous block of land. And if our team can help you know more about this one, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.